It's time to craft. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I am participating in my monthly Trash to Treasure collaboration with my girl Philicia over at BOK Media Life, and I will share with you more about Philicia in a few minutes. But first, let's get into this first DIY. So as you can see, I have a cardboard round that I received from my husband. I painted it in the color navy by Apple Barrel. I have some of that nautical rope that Dollar Tree usually put out during the summer months, and I just gave this like more of a basket weave type look. And now I am adding some of those flat dowel rods that you can pick up from Amazon, and I will be actually layering the top portion of this piece with those dowel rods. So guys, I want to welcome everyone back to the channel, my new and returning subscribers. I pray that you all have a blessed weekend. And again, this video is a part of my monthly collaboration with Philicia over at BOK Media Life, and I will be sharing some information about Philicia in a few minutes. And now you see where I'm taking that same rope and I am just cleaning up the edges where it's not quite lined up correctly, and I am just going around this piece using that rope to give it more of a basket feel. And then I added some navy blue buttons to the ends of where the rope met from top to bottom. I have some of these beautiful florals from the Dollar Tree, the word family from the Dollar Tree that comes in the 2-pack, and added some peat moss or some of that green moss to the edge just to hide the bottom portion of the stems of the florals. And that's going to really be it for this project. I cannot wait for you to see it in the reveal. And now guys, we are headed into DIY number 2. Now this came to me at the last minute, but it did come in second place. And I am basically taking the box that these gallon size paint sticks came in to create a Easter planter. And so what I'm doing is just going opposite end, having the handle on one end and then the flat end on the other, going around the whole piece. Added some of those popsicle sticks to the sides, added the word Happy Easter to the front side of it. And as you can see, I did use some of that wood tint by Home Decor. Is it Home Decor? Yeah, Home Decor, to give this a stained look. And then I'm using some of those large tumbling tower blocks that you can pick up from 5 and Below as the handles for this planter. And I cannot wait for you guys to see this in the reveal. And now I have some of those little half-size foam bricks that you can find at the Dollar Tree. And then I ended up going back and using some of those pool noodles to give this a raised look so that I won't use as many florals. And now I am just adding some of those beautiful springtime florals that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I did go back and add more, and you will see that in the reveal. This just turned out so beautiful, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So guys, I want to welcome everyone back to the channel, my new and returning subscribers. And if you have yet to subscribe to my channel and you like what you've seen so far, then please consider clicking on that subscribe button. And while there, don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload to the channel. So now here is my girl Philicia, who's known as the Lamp Queen. She's with BOK Media Life, and she also started a new channel, BOK Media Food Freaks, and I think she's growing on that channel. So if you have yet to check out her channels, here are some of her beautiful work. Please make sure you go over there and just show my girl Philicia some love. You will not be disappointed. You know, like I said, she just completed another drop with Keisha the Stylist, and where she debuted some more fashion, to which I am proud to say I purchased. Again, give my girl Philicia a big hello for me when you go over to her channel. And now we into the last DIY. This is a very quick and easy, simple DIY. What I did was took the jar from one of those cheese dips that you can buy at the Walmart, cleaned it out really good, and then now you see where I added some of that burlap ribbon to the front, added the moss on the inside of it, threw in some of those beautiful pink florals, and that is going to be it for as the project. And now I am adding a jute twine bow to the front side of this piece, and that is going to be it. I think this project turned out really cute. And now guys, we are headed into the reveal. Here is project number 1. I think this turned out super cute to have just been a round cardboard piece. And now look at it. And then now we headed into the second DIY. I think this is gorgeous. Really pretty, springtime, Easter time. I really like the outcome of this piece. And last but not least is this mini planner that was just created from a cheese jar. And guys, that's all I have for you until the next DIY.